IP-intensive manufacturers benefit America's consumers, communities, and companies, and ultimately drive U.S. economic growth. These companies generate 20 million high-paying jobs in all 50 states, and their products provide us with choice. Whether it is the latest technology, medicine, or medical device, American consumers have access to innovation. IP-intensive manufacturing jobs pay 46% higher wages than their traditional counterparts, allowing us to achieve the American dream. Our community's economic and cultural vitality depend on IP-intensive manufacturing companies. Not only do these companies support 38 million indirect jobs and create economic opportunities throughout our communities, they enrich our lives. Their products bring families together, strengthen our communication, prevent disease, improve our health, provide hope, and support STEM education for our children to explore, innovate, and succeed. IP-intensive manufacturing companies are leaders in research and development. Their intellectual capital investment is 11.5 times higher than their non-IP equivalents, resulting in 37.5% higher sales per employee. They also have 1.6 times higher exports, making America strong. The 58 million workers across America and the positive economic impact they bring rely on successful IP-intensive manufacturing companies. The contributions to our country by these companies are far-reaching and significant, and they depend on strong intellectual property rights.